Hello, fellow traders. So, hear me out. Another game stock move might happen today, just because the reversals are pretty much higher than the bullish reversals are higher than the bearish, and we are making higher highs, higher opens. Um, Stochastics are going up. We did kind of touch this a reversal at 31.46, but um, I'm betting that we're gonna see a higher highs, and if we break 37 on the weekly level, close about this, um, we'll see a very big move up. I posted in my Substack why I think that and when exactly I'm planning to get out of it. But for now, I did make a buy-in. So hey, trade what you can, and if you see something wrong, just get out.